Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to enable screen rotation lock in VLC Media Player. So open VLC Media Player, okay, and I'm opening my camera folder. You can see here, okay, and there is one video, and you can see here now it is in landscape mode, and the screen lock is on. Sometimes it will be show like this. You can see that this symbol, okay. Then if you take this phone, then it will be rotate like this. You take this, then it will be rotate like this, and it will be rotate like this. So how to fix this? So you can simply tap here, then it will be activate screen rotations. You can see here, okay. Then you can simply watch at any side, then it will be not rotate, only rotate this two sides, okay. This will be rotate but not become to portrait mode. So that's guys, in this way you can easily lock your screen orientation in this method. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.